Okay, here we are at the Dade City Government Center. I've chlorinated this whole side over here. You can probably tell the difference from that side. Up there to there. Okay, now, just to show an example of what's going on here, this what we're dealing with, all these cobwebs up here, with all that dirt. The windows got mold and stuff all over it. You can zoom in. You can hardly see out of these windows. They're very dirty. Cobwebs hanging off everywhere. You can tell the cobwebs are just extreme. Okay, but this side over here, I just got done cleaning this side so you can see the difference from here to there. Alright. We're also going to be doing this cement out here today, all on top. But these windows are really bad. I mean, look. That's a lot of dirt. Cobwebs everywhere. Look at all them cobwebs. Just a complete mess. Anyway, all these windows are dirty, as you can see. We'll take another film when we get back and we're all done with this popsicle. When you need something big done, don't forget to call Super Blast Pressure Washing. #1 in exterior cleaning. Okay, here we are. We're at the East Pasco Government Center. As you can see, everything is spotlessly clean. When we got here, we had cobwebs, we had mold, we had it all. Okay, got the whole building done, all the walkways, got the lobby area done. Stairs have all been wiped off clean. Everything's good. Anyway, another job well done. Looks pretty darn good. All the bricks are clean up there. Everything came out nice. Got this tower all the way up. All the windows are clean. It's a wrap. Thank you for the work, Daniel. Appreciate it, buddy.